Hi friends, I am Sajid. Welcome back to my channel SciTech. In this video, I'll be doing the annual benchmark comparison between the Dimensity 1000 Plus processor versus the Snapdragon 888 processor from the Mi11. As you can see friends, the Mi11 has a Snapdragon 888 processor, and this is the first phone to launch in the 2021 with the Snapdragon 888 processor. So let's see friends how much the score will be difference between the Snapdragon 888 versus the Dimensity 1000 Plus processor which is present in the Realme X7 Pro device. So even I'll try to do the other comparisons with the other smartphones as well. So make sure to subscribe and stay tuned for more interesting updates in the future friends, and also do check the links in description for more details in case if you are interested to know about these smartphones. Let me show you the screenshot which I have taken here, and these are the results friends. If you compare both results side by side, you can see one thing is that the GPU, there's a difference of close to 1 lakh difference is there in terms of the GPU performance. So that's a huge improvement if you compare with the Dimensity 1000 Plus processor, and with the CPU as well you can see the difference of close to maybe 40,000 difference. So that's not much difference, but in terms of the GPU there is a huge difference. 1 lakh difference is there between the Dimensity 1000 Plus and the Snapdragon 888, and the antutu benchmark score was around 7 lakhs. That's a really huge score friends for the 7 lakhs. That's a really good score. And in the Dimensity 1000 Plus we have about 5 lakhs 25,000. So that's also a huge difference, I would say. So 1 lakh 75,000 difference is there between this both of the smartphones, Snapdragon 888 versus the Dimensity 1000 Plus processor. So in case the Realme is planning to launch this Dimensity 1000 Plus processor in India, then they need to keep the pricing also in mind, because if the prices are more, then the people will be buying the Snapdragon 865 processor, which is quite good than this Dimensity 1000 Plus processor. So definitely in my opinion. And this is a quick benchmark comparison friends, Snapdragon 888 versus Dimensity 1000 Plus. And for more this kind of interesting videos, make sure to subscribe to my channel SciTech Guru. And thank you friends for watching this video. See you in the next video friends. Until then, bye.